Okay, guys, I think we're gonna make this the last forest hike, and then we're gonna do a climb. It's Friday. Margaret's doing really well. That endoscopy that she had, they said her it looks like she's getting better. I mean, when she first got sick, they said there's no getting better from this. So now they're saying she's getting better, so that's good news, man. Wow. All right, so okay, we're happy today. We're happy. All right. All right, Wildcat Falls. All right, this is the map I'm going to follow. This is my route. You can see I highlighted it in yellow. It's going to be probably 3.5 miles. All right, first we're going to go to there. I forgot what's there. Well, we'll find out when we get there. Then, number 2, there's like a really, the pictures I saw, it looks like a really small waterfall. So, to me, it looks like a cascade. And then, number 3, down there, that's called Dog Beach. I don't know. We'll go check that out, and then we'll just come around. Right back to here. Alright, let's go check it out. Okay. A little muddy here. Better mud than snow. Got some nice rock formations here. At the trailhead. And smooth, here's the kiosk. Yes. Our lovely kiosk with no information on it. Got a little swamp here. Alright, there's 2 ways. This way and this way, but according to the map and the compass, I should go this way. So let's go this way. Wait a second, I just walked up this little hill and... Alright, we're done. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye. What the hell? This way. Over this? No, that can't be. Wait, I don't... You know me, I don't like to fall across this. Huh. I talked to somebody who was he came at it this way. And he said, yeah, this place really is not blazed too well. But it looks like a trail over there. Looks like it's, matted down. I guess I gotta hop over that stuff. A little memorial bench out of granite. Oh, that's a nice cliff right there. That would be nice to get up there. Look at that. Huh. Alright, let me try and get across here. Okay. Okay, what I did was I just came down here. It's pretty cool. There's a guy here with a truck. He comes from they have a fish farm where they grow fish, and he stocks the pond. That's his job. That's a cool job, man. He just goes to ponds and all different ponds, and he's been doing it for like, I think he said 15 years, maybe, something like that. Now that's a job. That's a really cool job. Yeah. Growing little baby fish, wait until they get big. They were like, he showed me them. They're like maybe a foot long, and then he just releases them into this. Alright, and one thing he told me was, I am not at Wildcat Falls. He said he doesn't even know what he never heard it. This is Stonehouse Pond Loop, something like that. There's no blazing, so I'm just going to make my own little thing here. And we'll just do the GPS thing, you know. I'll just do that. Let's just, I don't know. We're going back to the climbing next week, because this is becoming BS, man. I'm tired of this forest stuff, even though it's really pretty. But I need to climb. Okay, let's go. Alright, this is really odd because there's a website I use to find all my hikes. You know, I'm trying to zoom in on the duckies. Where are they? Where are they? Oh. And it gives you the coordinates where to park. And it tells you the name of the mountain or forest. And that's where I parked. But, you know, I just talked to that guy, and he said that's not this place. So I don't know what the hell's going on. What I'll do is, let me see if I can maybe go around the whole pond. I want to go up there. Alright, well, let's just go and see what happens. This is the last forest nature walk thing. After this, it's mountains. Alright. There. No, I'm not holding the camera sideways. This is how steep it is. I'm trying to hover along the edge. This is a mysterious looking place. I have no idea what I'm going to find here. I probably won't even do that much. It's Friday. Maybe I'll go home and hang out with Margaret, and we'll just watch movies all weekend. I don't know. There's no blazing, there's no trail. But it does look like somebody walked here. I mean, look, you could see it looks like a trail right there. I mean, you see it? Right there. So, that's why there was no map on the kiosk, because there's no trail in here. I was saying, they usually have maps on them. Right, Smooth? The kiosks. Kiosks. This is boring. I mean, it's pretty, but... Alright, let's just go... You know what, we're going to go just a little bit more. I'll post this just to let you know that I'm done with doing stuff like this. That's it. We're going to the mountains after this. Next week it's to the mountains. Alright, you know what? I'm turning around. There's nothing going on here. Nothing. There's no trails, nothing. There's nothing to see except this. Alright, yeah. Alright, so next week we're going to start climbing. We need to do something like that. We got to get out of the forest. Alright, I got my legs back. I feel good. Margaret's doing really great. That's awesome. Alright, so it's Friday. It's Friday the 13th. No wonder why this place sucks. I picked a bad spot. I don't know, I just followed the coordinates, man. And this is where it brought me. But as you can see, there is nothing going on here. So next week, back to the mountains, climbing. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Have a great weekend, and I love all you guys. Bye.